Differentiate between test plan and test strategy. The one-liner answer is test plan is the implementation of test strategy. So test strategy is a bigger set. Test plan comes under it. In order to implement or execute the test strategy, we do the test planning. Okay. Test strategy are the set of rules that describe how to develop test and outlines how they should be carried out. That is the bigger abstraction level. So these are the guidelines, rules for a whole organization or maybe a big project. From inception to deployment, we have a common test strategy. This has to be done. The test plan, a software project test plan, it is a document. And it specifies what? It specified the intricacies. Even the scope, purpose and approach is there, but more emphasis is on the software testing actual process. In test strategy, we have following components. Objective. What is the objective? What is the scope? How will be the document formats? These are the formats you have to follow. What are the test methodologies? What you have to do? Black box, white box, smoke or sanity or whichever. Then the team reporting structure. Who is going to test? What is the quality assurance, quality control, the structure, client communication strategy. In the test plan, we have a document or a series of documents where we have a test plan ID because you are making a test case in test plan basically. So test plan ID, feature to be tested, the test procedures, the testing task, features, pass or fail criteria, the test deliverables, responsibilities, who will do what, the schedule, the timeline, etc. So test strategy is a general approach. Here general approaches are described in the test strategy. Here test plan is more specified. The specification of testing processes are described in the test plan and that is executed, that is implemented by the test cases. Finally, test cases are written. Now, the testing manager. So we are talking about test plan and test strategy. So test strategy, the project manager implements a test strategy, or you can say that the managerial level person do this. So it specifies which approach to use and which module to be tested. They can also prioritize it. While in the test plan, a testing manager or the lead executes a test plan that specifies how to test, when to test, who is going to test, and what to test. So here the level of abstraction is more detailed in test plan. In test strategy, it is very difficult to alter the test strategy because it is being created for the whole project or the organization. Test plan, the changes can be done. Okay, changes because if test cases are there, one test case is not good, you can remove it, you can add more test cases. So test strategy is a long-term approach. You can use information that isn't specific to a project to create a test strategy because this is a broad view for different projects. Test planning is done to identify risk by determining potential issues and dependency, because here the test planning is done like that. Test cases are written like that. Okay, this may affect this one like this. Test strategy is frequently found as an element of a test plan in smaller projects. So in a smaller project, test strategy and test plan can be together. But test plan is individual. It can exist individually. In the test planning, it is established at a project level. That is, the test strategy is at the organization level and it can be utilized for different kind of projects. That is why I am saying it is at the top level of abstraction.